Yesterday I walked alone on a narrow path where the soft rain fell. Between the scent of earth beneath my feet, I thought I saw a glimpse of you, so still. A stray raindrop caught on a needle of pine, trembling before it lost its way. It fell and broke upon my shoulder line, waking memories that I'd locked away. That tiny ripple shattered on my skin, spreading deep into the soul within. Broken pieces of the time we shared gather round my feet as if they cared.
Rainbow-colored memories, once scattered wide, begin to bloom along this path where I hide. The crystal raindrops, filled with scent of pine, tap upon my shoulder, a rhythm so divine.
Even the aching heart, the scent will find, embracing all the pain you left behind.
The sound of rain is fading low and deep, but the longing in my heart refuses to sleep.
Drunk on the fragrance, drenched in the dew, I just wanna stay here, dreaming of